Hi, it's Sandra, and I'm going to pick a winner for these clear jelly stamper plates.
So the winner, please send me your mailing address to my email address, which is nailstampology@gmail.com.
Please send me your address, and I'll pop these in the mail, and hopefully you'll get it before Christmas, but one never knows. Okay, let's pick the winner. So the winner is Tina Baker. And Tina, congratulations on winning. So I will send you these two plates as soon as I get your address, your mailing address. And thanks for watching my video, and thanks for entering. Thanks, everybody. Thanks for watching.